Hello everyone, welcome back to my Figma beginner series. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly find social media icons in Figma. All you need to do is just open your Figma project, go to bottom toolbar and click on icon. It says action icons, click that. The panel will pop up. In the search toolbar you can type icon, or if you see this little square green icon, that is icons 8, icons, illustration and photos, click that. Panel will pop up. Here in search toolbar you can type whatever icon that you are looking for. Type social media icon. Just enter, and then it will give you a bunch of different kinds of social media icons, so different designs. So simply click on the icon and it will automatically added to your Figma canvas. Design panel, layout dimension, sample you want 50 width and the height is 50 also, so it's more proportion and it's more accurate, right? So if you want to put white behind this social media icon, you can do that too. All you need to do is to go to the bottom toolbar and then click the shape that you want to put behind that social media icon. Let's say I want the rectangle, so I'll simply click that, drag and hold the shapes in here, and then I want to change the color of that shape. Go to the design panel and fill. I want white, so go change into white. Change the corners, I want it a little bit curved, so here in panel design or design panel you can type the number of how much radius do you want in both corners. Let's say I want 5, and here we go, it's changed into 5 and all 5s. If you want like specific corners, you can do that too. Go to the design panel, appearance, and then corner radius, and then put the icon, social media icon, at the top of that shape that you made, and that's it. But the problem is, what if I want to bring this social media icon like at the bottom part of my page? So you can't, right? Because it's not in the group. So all you need to do is to zoom out. Let's zoom out. Bring this character, these two characters, outside the frame. So what we need to do is, let's group this together. All you need to do is to drag both character, right click, use the group selection, and then it will not misalign the icons and shape that you made. So you can bring it easily inside the frame. So let's do it. All you need to do is to zoom out and put it in the frame. See? So here we go. So now you're not worrying when you click and you put it somewhere in your frame. So that's how I made my social media icon or other icons. So, and that's it. In just a few clicks you can add professional social media icons to your website, landing page, social media posts, or UI design. If you found this tutorial helpful, follow for more beginner-friendly Figma tips and design tutorials. See you in the next video.